Welcome back to my channel technical tutorial. So in this video we will see how to install TeamViewer in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First open your browser and search for TeamViewer. Now you will get the official link for the TeamViewer, that is teamviewer.com. So click on this link to download. Now here we have the button for free download. Click on that button. Now there are some packages, like there are some paid version as well, and the free version as well. So we are going to install it for free. So click on download now. Now here we have the different operating system. We are going to install it for Windows. So click on Windows. Now here for which support we need to install the TeamViewer, like to receive a support from client or to give support to client. So these are the some packages, accordingly you can install. So today I am going to install it to provide support to the client. So I am going to install it for the TeamViewer full client support, and my operating system is 64-bit, so I am going to install it for 64-bit. So click on this button. So it will start automatically downloading. Let's wait till download complete. Have completed downloading. Let's open it into folder to install. So we have this exe file. Double click on it to download to install. So it will ask you to provide an access or which of you want to install. So we are going to install it for default installation. So click on that. Then click on accept and next. So it will ask you to allow to install in your system. Click on S. It will start installing. So you can see our desktop icon is created. So in this way you can install the TeamViewer in your Windows 11 operating system. Here you can just click on accept and click on continue. So it will start your TeamViewer. So here you can give the just session code, or you can directly sign into TeamViewer. This is your ID and it is your password. So in this way you can install TeamViewer in Windows 11